Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and I'm here on the Wando River in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. And today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Starting off here in the transom, incredibly spacious area, sea deck foam flooring throughout, so tons of creature comforts on this boat. Huge aft-facing seat if you want to get a nice perspective of the water and the marsh down here. Really tall backrests. This area can comfortably seat 3 adults. You've got cup holders on both sides, charging ports for your devices, and a stereo remote. We also have storage in the floor, or a great place for a cooler that does drain. We have a slide out footrest here, so you can kick your feet up. And you also have more storage that you could also use for additional coolers, or you can put your lines under here. This would be a good place to keep dock lines out of the way. That stows away nice and clean. You drop this backrest down on a soft close and it locks into place. And now I've got some non-skid here if I need to get from one side of the transom to the other without crawling all over somebody. This boat is powered by twin V10 5.7 liter Mercury 400 horsepower Verados. Incredible power and performance on this boat. Planes very quickly and approaches speeds in the mid-50s. These also feature the top cowling service drawer where you can check or add to your oil and remove the cowling with this single lever here. Making our way into the cockpit, we have more storage in the floor, a freshwater washdown with hot and cold adjustments. You can see we've got the Sure Shade extended so you can shade this entire transom area. Making our way inside. We've got a little cockpit door here to keep everyone safe inside. Battery switches are easily located as you enter and exit the boat. L-shaped seating area in the cockpit. We've got a Fusion sound system on board. Great sound on this boat. Wet bar area on the starboard side. That includes a Kenyan electric grill, freshwater sink, pull-out trash can, and pull-out fridge and freezer combo. Nice Corian countertop. And you've also got 2 110 outlets, so you can plug in a blender or any other accessories to have a nice meal or serve some drinks. Really comfortable seating area on this boat. This is the dune colored upholstery that looks really nice with the black exterior hull. We have a teak table here that's on a leaf that folds out. You can also drop this down to a lower leg and have one big filler cushion here if you want to really stretch out and catch some sun. You got storage beneath this seat for some of the smaller items like the grill cover, extra table legs. More storage in here that's also on a piano hinge. There's nice deep storage in the floor as well. We currently have some of the filler cushions for the bow and canvas for the boat stowed in place. This transom area here, if you need to access your bilge or your systems access, this whole thing hinges up. It's on a powered hatch here. So you can raise and lower that with the press of a button. And you can easily get to the boat's batteries, bilge, all the systems on board. If you have extra life jackets, like Coast Guard style life jackets, you can also stow them down there. Soft items like that. Coming further forward up to the helm area, we've got twin 12-inch screens from Simrad. Everything's touchscreen. We've got all of our engine data on one screen, chart plotter, sonar, digital switching for some of the boat's features like the sunshade, for example, in addition to some hardwire switching that you have here for things like the horn, windshield wiper, running lights, controls for the anchor windlass in addition to what you have up front. This boat does have trim tabs with LED indicators that show where your tabs are positioned. Here I've got digital throttle and shift, of course, with active trim included. We have a Simrad VHF radio. I also have a little remote dial here to control the screens. And this boat also has joystick. So that also includes your skyhook and autopilot features. So whether you're waiting on a bridge, waiting on a slip, catching a sunset, or doing what we're doing right now, we're just kind of drifting and hanging out, you can have the skyhook feature in place, and that'll keep the boat right where it needs to be. Both this helm seat and the observer seat have a bolster that adjusts. So you've got an angled footrest below, so whether you're in a seated position when you're operating the boat, or in more of a leaning position, it's a very comfortable place to be at the helm. Got a nice vinyl wrapped brow as well. Coming over to the port side, similar setup here. Double wide seat, angled footrest with some non-skid. Got a wrapped stainless steel grab rail here for some security. Cup holders, charging port, glove box right here as well for keys and wallets. And we have a little storage locker here under this seat. This boat does have a small berth, so great little changing area that does convert to a filler. So you could, if you need to put the kids down for a nap, you got a space to do that. There is a television down there, overhead light, porthole as well, so you get some natural air and some ventilation, and also makes a good storage area as well. Coming down to the head, nice headroom on the 350 SLX in the head. This is drained, so if you need to rinse off or shower off, you can do that. This is a climate controlled space as well, as is the cabin. Also have a porthole here, towel, mirror opposite me, so you need to use the facilities, you got a nice comfortable space to do so. Now we'll make our way up to the bow. So making our way up to the bow on Sea Ray 350 SLX, we continue the creature comforts up front. You have great seating up here, awesome social zone where you have opposing seating. There's a few different configurations you can do here in the bow. You can do 2 high tables, no tables, or you can do 2 filler cushions. So similar to what you can do back in the cockpit between tables and filler cushions, there's a lot of options up here just depending on what your needs are for the day. If you're just up and running, this is a really comfortable place to sit and hang out with nothing going on here beneath your feet. If you've got that cushion in place here, then you could totally stretch out all the way across. We have cup holders, speakers, charging ports, again with the wrapped stainless steel grab rails, storage in the storage in the floor rather, storage beneath this seat. If I want to get to storage under here, this seat is on a piano hinge. That's also where the table legs live for both the bow tables, so dedicated space for that. Stereo remote up here as well. This entire area is also shaded. So we've got a bow shade kit here with 4 stanchions that go into the foredeck. We've got a spotlight, freshwater washdown, and we have a remote controlled windlass anchor as well. And that is a walkthrough of our Sea Ray 350 SLX. Again, my name is Carl Anderson, General Manager here with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. And thanks for watching.